alaikum, all of my Muslim brothers and sisters and other religious. Take my cordial love from the bottom of my heart. I hope all of you are doing well. Alhamdulillah, I'm also well by the mercy of Almighty Creator. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you something about uh, happiness. What does happiness means? Now, I think you means is there any happiness to have a car, to have a beautiful house, to have lots of money, or to have you be a millionaire? That's wrong. That's absolutely wrong because these things are not to bring happiness only. You can see and you can tell happiness is you are spending your most valuable time, and you are enjoying your time with your parents. Now your happiness is your parents is alive in the surface in the world. Then you can enjoy with them. You can spend your most time with them. That's the happiness. Now, what do you mean by happiness? Tell me something about that in the comment box. So till then, Allah Hafiz, guys.